So we could go this way. So, for those wondering what is Campo de Criptana, this is a small little town in the Spanish region of La Mancha, famous for its iconic windmills. These windmills, I don't know, date somewhere back to the 16th century, and they're believed to be the inspiration for Don Quixote's battle against the giants. So I'm here since last night. I did last night a few shots of the supermoon rising, so I didn't record that because I forgot my GoPro at the hotel, but I'm gonna put up somewhere images here, or I'm gonna do a separate video editing them. Yesterday's shot, I took it somewhere from there in the distance. I'm a photographer that likes symmetry, so in my case we're gonna go with a 35mm shot here. I'm gonna go exactly on the center, so the peak, I'm taking the peak of the windmill as my main point, and let's take a shot of this. Good. We could do a so this one was shot at 35. A 45 would be too much from this location, so we're not taking it. Let's see what other shots can we get from here. Let's see what can we get from here. So we have the road, and let's use the road as our leading lines. That's not so great, but this one could be great. So let's see, would I go I like this. This is from one of the old windmills. I don't know what it's called. I gotta think about what kind of composition would I like to do from here, but the fact is that we have a too simple of a frame here. Yeah, we could do something from, I don't know, probably off from the rock, the road takes you to the Molineros. So we could do that. Not a bad shot from here. And we have all the free. So this is my frame right now, if you're wondering what I'm talking about. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that this building is getting in my image, so I would have loved to get more out of the road. So we're at F4. I'm waiting for that car to get out of frame. So this is the frame. For those who are wondering, how can you get here? Well, so I came from Madrid by train. There is the Renfe. I think that's the national train. I'm not sure about that, so don't quote me on that, but I came with that train from Madrid. It's a one hour, 20 minute or something like that ride. So we're going with a, I don't know, 100 millimeters. So what would an image look like with only the Molineros? As the Molineros my main subject, we have a few rooftops. So this is the image with what I went here. I don't know. Simple, but probably I'm gonna manage to do something with it. So I don't really think that we have any other shots from here. Not too many options here in old Campo de Criptana, honestly. I think I'm gonna call it a wrap, and I'm gonna go eat something somewhere, and after that I'm gonna take the train back to Madrid, where tomorrow we're gonna have another adventure. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.